Introducing the 2018 Volkswagen Golf Highline 1.6tdi M5F, a powerhouse on wheels. This stunning 5-door estate in vibrant red boasts a 1.6-litre diesel engine with 115 horsepower, offering both power and efficiency. Not only is this vehicle sleek and stylish, but it is also packed with premium features such as ambient lighting, cruise control, Android Auto, CarPlay, and more. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, collision alert, and parking assistance among the many security features. Plus, the chrome package, privacy glass, and roof rails add a touch of luxury. Rest assured knowing that this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information today.